dedication and for lack of knowledge.
Oh, good teacher, I know that I'm troubling you. Did you ever dream of throwing a stone? No, that is where a growing water can is placed. I will not let anyone else to do it, I swear.
Oh, honored parents and fantastic. Either you show wisdom, mother you give us intelligence, educator, parent, creator, may you be rewarded.
Our school is full of light and knowledge. It is a home of education and constructive learning, where we learn to read and write, where we learn respect, cooperation, and love for our country.
Indeed, I say it and you may think they are just so. The Creator created wisdom. Science is that its ability to me,
That is where we receive the knowledge and skills that read us. School give us good and good.
Teaching is not only in the word, in action and good example, I swear. You are the mirrors of good character. There is much that you also see.
We thank you for good heart you show us, how you correct us with love, how you advise us with lessons that design us in life, helping distinguish between good and evil.
Today, my parents continue respecting and supporting them in this poem, so that to make and all work together in
Education requires cooperation. It requires love, patience, and understanding.
We students also promise you that we continue respecting you and honor you. We follow school rules and regulations. We seek to succeed and behave well.
During the holiday about to enter, we continue responsibility this Father has given us. We continue good behavior wherever we are. If we stay, He bring us back on unfailing source. Let me not end this prize before finishing I square. Let me continue in the beginning and give that offering. May it continue to protect our family and our school, so that we may come and we grow together for this Creator and Educator. Who did not sing to prize? Who did not strike crocodile but proud? Yeah, I didn't speak of that title. I feel I have marks. Because of pride and everyone. Let me thank you, you who deserve to be thanked you.
I am Sangwa Maria Everine from Primary 5. Thank you.
I was Wama Organzeme Dedine from P5. Thank you.